Thank you. माननीयाः अध्यक्षमहाभागाः, अहं दीक्षांत समारोहस्य आरम्भाय अनुमतिं कामये।
अहम् अनुमन्ये।
Yes, Mama. Baba Katsude,
मान्याः, इदानीं दीक्षांत समारोहः प्रारभ्यते।
मंगलाचरणं भोटभाषायां
सुशावरन्ति शिचे गे
Oh नौमि तं लोकनाथं सरसिजकृतिवासं दूर्यगन्धप्रकाशं सुरनरदनुजाशं पूर्णचन्द्रप्रकाशं सुकृत
마기 다우시레 텐다 진투도 유주체도 도공체레이
केंद्रीय उच्च तिब्बती शिक्षा संस्थानस्य विद्या परिषदा सुपरीक्ष समुद्घोषितेभ्यः उपाधियोग्येभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः शास्त्री आचार्य विद्यावारिधि परीक्षोपाधि प्रदानाय श्रीमद्भ्यः महामहिम अखिलाकुर रहमान गिरवी महोदयेभ्यः प्रोफेसर जीसी पांडे महोदयेभ्यश्च वाक्पतिः इति सम्मानोपाधिम् अर्पयितुम् अद्य अयं दीक्षांत समारोहः समायोजितः।
क्षेत्रजुवा केवं अक्षर को रमन किदुवाई छो जागर चांचो उत्तर प्रदेश मापों हिंदू का खर्ची मेचिन चुदें केवता की रिशुं तेने लखनपुरम शिवों सुचारे चुंचिरती ताजर दिव्य बराबंकी शिवे युजुंगना युपर बरागाम शिवे चुंचिर चलो चितुं कुजर निशु चिदा तुम्बे तेजी सांगो कोचुं कोचुं तो चिदांगी शियुं हुजुंचे लोबदा चंदे मंबे नांदुशु नाशी चलो चितुं कुजर शिजुलो जामिया तुरिन तुरुं लोटा कांगे टेंजु खेंजी चासिरकां चलो चितुं कुजर शिजु शिजेलो इलियस से तुलुने सेरी तो प्रोविंसी चासिरकां चलो चितुं कुजर माचुलो कोंदन तुलुने रिवे चुत्रची चासिरचे शेतो कांगीने 샤라 루치 자와 운수제 알리글 같이 로강기 제주집에 대생 부분당 생리 대생지 리딩겐 비양제 대제 부분이니 로 토록 되니도 로고유진 리지다베 세네시 생리 담집에 내준토 지방매베 꼬바단 템버 통네 자가 유중기 생리 수레 냠셰간 토바단 자가 소남 냠레 냠시 소남 신뢰 냠시 소배 소수 부산데 대신 경험관이 시윤집에 남샤당 진중기 내중라 켄준 대신 시제 남주지 초보다 통내 야가 유중네 유시용 소배 소밀 부샤당 진 레제베 시윤다 틀레지 nen세 수바 소배 소주당 유토록 신주 소배 소준 겐신나웨 권에 규매지 대준 체당 소다 시윤 소배 소준 겐시베 권에 되네 주소 샤주자신 나와서 첩지 사우디아라비아 제컵도 하지 렌저 체 진주지 자가 자준 투미소베 곤진지 겐시janze 자가 유슈네 개원 리메 장수 젠지 뉴제데미 도시 단지 자무 카슈미리 마디 체도 투베 사쿠 찬용 신주토베 소미 고샤나 데네 진베 로투니 잠지 진 체제 치소 샤쇼와 딘쿨 한소지 소소당 소미 지리 직군의 슈망기 샴시 샤슈 자신나 데네 진지 산내 지투페데 저로 지동 중주 직군의 송 점바 중된의 산지를 내다 나와 나렌다 비크람실라가 소바 나위 토룩 자생카다 치에도 파베 최대는 범바타신다기 젠지 투베 비하르마디 시중기 천시 생겐 살미시의 신윤시 중 예제다 첩시제 제진자치나 진중기 내준나고 켄준 자와치신 비하르마디 시중다 제일지 지소지 시슈와 딩군 한소지 소부소지 연시 직군에 메로 통주 통화단지 첩신 진중단지에 차시다 메리지 삼전년세 공배다 시윤 중달지 타만 tun주다 소리 냠시다 소다단지에 시윤소 고 라 강원의 셔주 제신나와 대다 수제 지도매변 제지송은 개원디 지르시윤시 벤지딘지나 유신자민의 템베 케베 송제진남네 남주지 고모 서주다 하준 제주시베 고 유신남만고 계자다 템베 송이 시주하다 쌈진나시 딩기차 개원간이 자가나 추수도 소베 고유지 포미 기발마세 아리 인지 자가체 지주르의 소각하게 소미 장gen 신문수유 제단 시절 리벤네나 대신 지소 대준지 차시 템베 소지 태라 강니지 쇼망기 셔슈 대신세와 마유수주 비하르마디 시중단 토로판 준이 잠지 리다 생gen 시베 토네 시용의 중 답에다 지소 대탑단 지레 소반자 민지 소주 생gen 시 제급단 쇼망기 내들 만다라 지수 주거데 하버 벤 나는데 돌아간 서베 존진제 통일간디 예제 조준지 저 통계 랍친시데 발갑 연차신데 소간디 다자 예제 진강상의 규율과 가주지 유지지 된다의 친윤지 주지 첩시지 진정의 지소지 대다 시윤수는 손쪽다 벤제지 랍친제지 단된베 고려 경험 केदिवाई चौला वहाँ की ताबूशी में चंदा पीते सुनील गांधी कई जेवर जेदुस
प्रशस्ति डॉक्टर अखलाक और रहमान किदवई महाभागाना अस्ति उत्तर प्रदेश राज्यस्य राजधानी सकल सामंत नवाब हिंदू इस्लाम संस्कृति धानी लक्ष्मणपुरी इति विख्याता लखनऊ इति जनविस्तृत नगरी यत्र विविधैः भारतीय संस्कृति संरक्षकैः स्वराज्य संरक्षणार्थं विविध सेवा कार्य कृतं तस्या एव नगर्या नामतः अथ च एतेषां महाभागानां निष्पक्ष विवेचना शक्तिं समीक्ष्य भारतीय शासनेन जम्मू काश्मीर राज्य कृते संस्थापितस्य क्षेत्रीय संतुलन संरक्षा आयोगस्य सदस्यत्वमपि एभ्यः समर्पितम् अनेनैव क्रमेण संघ लोक सेवा आयोगस्य अध्यक्षत्वं सदस्यत्वं च 12 वर्षप्रायेण निर्यूढम् एभिः महाभागैः क्रमशः समुन्नति सोपान सरणिम् आरोहण स्थल समलंकृतस्य नालंदा विक्रमशिला प्रभृति प्राचीन विश्वविद्यालय मठ विहारादि विभूषितस्य बिहार राज्यस्य महामहिम राज्यपाल पदं समारोह्य शिक्षा संस्कृति धर्मादि समुत्थान विषये कृतपरिकरा विराजन्ते तराम अधुना महामहिमवन्तः डॉक्टर अखलाक मानव शक्ति समायोजन समुत्थान चयन प्रशिक्षण प्रक्रिया क्षेत्रेषु बहुकृतम् एभिर् महाभागैः न केवलं प्रशासकतया अपितु तापि नवीनयुगे समुद्घाटिता तथैव रसायनशास्त्रस्य विविध पक्षान् आश्रित्य 40 अधिकसंख्यकानि शोधपत्राणि लिखितवन्तः न केवलं भारतवर्षस्य अभियान्त्रिक संस्थानस्य माननीयाः सदस्याः वर्तन्ते एते अपितु अमेरिका ब्रिटेन जर्मनी फ्रांस जापान प्रभृति देशीयानां संस्थानां सदस्यत्वं स्वीकृत्य स्वकीयं योगदानं कृतवन्तः इति वै महाभागाः श्री अखलाक और रहमान किदवई महोदयेभ्यः वाक्पतिरित्युपाधिं समर्प्य अस्य संस्थानस्य श्रियं कन्वीरन्
केन्द्रीय अस्य विद्यासंस्थानस्य षष्ठ दीक्षांत समारोहे अत्र भवद्भ्यो महामहिम अखलाकुर रहमान किदवई महोदयेभ्यो वाक्पते इति सम्मानोपाधिम् उपायनं करोमि कामे चास्य महिमं मण्डितस्य उपाधे आजीवनं परिधारणाय
完了，对体切切出发，包装提抽标光这一块，拿给他过些参加不是成对比就是对话的，以通些天天参加的个别解释能去办法。
제지 개별 돌린 두만 토슈 나왔다. 아버도 년라지 제지 두라 소감은 주민 통계 제발 대바이. 동리가 년만 바와서 남은 이베텐의 상대 경원디 신도 년라지를 자동다. 타주지 중치만 못담바다. 아버도 남배주다 따로 콜레 상배. 송 체제 체바지 먹은 대배 안에 넘버 3지를 용공 토도 운영 제가 시바다. 넘버 3지를 예제 지금 수백. Ita usia klasi ini kita tidak nampak kita sahaja tu satu orang yang berkuah itu. Kalau usia jadi singkong, boleh jadi panci coba nak kita usia tentang dunia nanti pengen jadi betul.
विद्यावतात् चरितानां प्रोफेसर गोविंद चंद्र पांडे महोदयानां अस्ति सदैव स्थानीयोऽयम् उत्तरप्रदेशः भारतवर्षः तत्रापि विराजते पवित्रतमो भूमिभागः तीर्थराजः प्रयागराजः तत्रैव जयदेवां जङ्गमतीर्थराजानां प्रोफेसर गोविंद चंद्र पांडे महाभागानां त्रयोविंशतिपुत्रैः कुलविंशतिसप्तमे इति विद्यार्थे अध्ययनकाले आदितः प्रारभ्य सर्वासु परीक्षासु प्रथमैव श्रेणी अधिगता। अन्ते जेमे इलाहाबाद विश्वविद्यालयतः डिफिल इत्युपाधिं गृहीतवन्तः। तदनु अनेकानि वर्षाणि इलाहाबाद विश्वविद्यालय, गोरखपुर विश्वविद्यालय, राजस्थान विश्वविद्यालयेषु प्राचीन भारतीय इतिहास संस्कृति पुरातत्वादि विभागेषु आचार्य पद मलङ्कुर्वाणां इमे अधिसंख्यकान् छात्रान् अध्यापितवन्तः। शोध निर्देशाधिकं च कृतवन्तः। इलाहाबाद विश्वविद्यालये, राजस्थान विश्वविद्यालये च एभिः कुलपतित्वमपि निर्वूढम्। भारतीय इतिहासानुसंधान परिषदि राष्ट्रीयाध्येत्री पदं, भारतीय दर्शनानुसंधान परिषदि संपादक पदं, इलाहाबाद पुरातत्व संग्रहालय परिषद अध्यक्ष पदं पांडेय महोदया समलयितवन्तः। नवनालंदा महाविहार, बिरला फाउंडेशन, हिंदी साहित्य सम्मेलनादि विविधोच्च शिक्षा संस्थानैः विद्वद्वरेण्या इमे विद्यावारिधि, वाचस्पति, शंकर सम्मान, मनीषा सम्मानादि मानदोपाधिभिः पुरस्कारैश्च सम्मानिताः। हिंदी, पाली, पुरातत्वादि अनेक राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलनेषु चाध्यक्षत्वमपि निर्वहन्। विभिन्नाश्चापि चान्ताराष्ट्रीयाभिः संस्थाभिः सदस्यत्वेन सम्बद्धा तासां गोष्ठीषु च भागं गृहीतवन्तः। साहित्य, संस्कृति, काव्य, दर्शनादि विविध विषयान् अधिकृत्य एभिरनेके मौलिकाः समीक्षात्मकाश्च महनीयाः ग्रन्थाः प्रणीताः। विशेषतो बौद्ध विद्यामादाय स्टडीज महत्वाधायका निबन्धाः अपि एतान् विषयान् आश्रित्य एभिः संरचिताः। अतः अध्यक्ष महोदया निवेद्यन्ते विश्वविस्तृत वैदुष्येभ्यः विद्या
केन्द्रीय उच्च सेवायाः कृते अस्य विद्यासंस्थानस्य षष्ठ दीक्षांत समारोहे अत्र भवद्भ्यो प्रोफेसर गोविंद चंद्र पांडे महोदयेभ्यो वाक्पतिः इति सम्मानोपाधिम् उपायनीं करोमि। कामे चास्य
这里解决出了后方第一、苏州王队的方面，过年级新的制作的，实际的现在当然了，在往天天查阅的，会不会是不能去干嘛？
정보土地建立起得了等别大年当这个后面浪，杨大人大瓦子，杨大人多瓦，杨大人嘛，杨大人连接他，杨大人错瓦，杨大人错瓦，杨大人真瓦，杨大人听人听了你玩呢，感觉这听上真当真玩自己。他的出进当，他的今年正当，他的西绕了天的，西边送我们这个中年中王了，都玩自己。 天阳上军一切这三百南阳马来我的江巴当你这战略将就这新人路前不能让这家谁的就把家做大包了什么没为你都当尊重这我能不能对这结果陪你就能解决等我真不接你们这些村上不送上接受不空间不能用别人他对了知道都真不能对让给有伙他们做了他上上百不能谁去叫我了别个对 当年杨白兄弟进入他们的西地党，江白兄弟女儿子他就让这边对接，他们当干了当开了做完了，所谓也了就做了，我不能对接。他不能对待他们这些早晚给新年3.1节过年就新的等把那南面对吧没不能对接。我那不从这就把他们这现在当干就那么大吧，过年就把对接，年年买马货，年年担保，年年接触担保。
यावज्जीवं अस्माभिः विद्यासंस्थानस्यास्य उपाधेः प्रतिष्ठानरूपं कायवाक्चित्तैः सततं चिन्तनीयं भद्राचरणं च विधेयम्। यदत्र विद्यासंस्थाने शिक्षितं तत्सर्वं व्रतस्थैः युष्माभिः अनवरतम् अप्रमादेन चिन्तनभावनाभ्याम् आत्मनश्चित्तसन्ततौ सुदृढम् आदेयम्। यो हि ज्ञानराशिरत्र युष्माभिरधिगतः स न कदापि विस्मृतिपथं यात् इत्यत्र सदा सावधानैव भाव्यम्। यदि तत्र भ्रान्तिर्वा विचिकित्सादिकं स्यात् तदा युक्तिविवेकादिबले तत्सर्वम् अपाकरणीयम्। अकुशलानि कायवाक्चित्तकर्माणि युष्माभिर्दूरतः परिवर्जनीयानि कुशलानि च तानि सप्रयासं यावज्जीवं समनुष्ठेयानि सम्यक् दृष्टि सम्यक् संकल्प सम्यक् कर्मांत सम्यक् आजीवादि सम्बलितस्य आर्यमार्गस्य यावदायु निषेवणेन योऽयं युष्माकं दुर्लभो मनुष्य भाव प्रतिलम्भः तनूनं सफलैतव्यः शील समाधि प्रत्यात् अधिष्ठाय स्रोतसा प्रवहम्
विद्वद्विहित विषयमधिकृत्य एकचत्वारिंशदधिक पंचविंशतिशततमे बुद्धाब्दे स्वकीयाशोधप्रबन्धः परीक्षणार्थं समर्पितः परीक्षकैश्च उपाधिप्रदानार्थम् अनुमोदितः एवमनेन विद्यावारिधिः इत्युपाधियोग्यता प्रमाणिता अत्र भवन्तः निवेद्यन्ते यत् उपाधिप्रदानेन एनं समलं कुर्वन्तु
केन्द्रीय उच्च तिब्बती शिक्षा संस्थानस्य निदेशकाधिकारेण अहं विद्यावारिधि परीक्षोत्तीर्णाय उपाधिपत्राणि वितरितुम् अनुमन्ये अद्य प्रभृतिस्माभिः आजीवनं विद्यासंस्थानस्याः उपाधेः प्रतिष्ठानरूपं कायवाक्कृतैः समनुष्ठेयम्
这个你建了特点，后天把人民的路，你从那些数据收不上，你从那些一个厂吧，记录集中国家活动上，记录集中国家活动过，最近那边达到了今年这个阶段。
明年冬天就是最快，而且你现在的普通最高法院的。
केन्द्रीय उच्च तिब्बती शिक्षा संस्थानस्य निदेशकाधिकारेण अहं घोरबौद्धदर्शनाचार्य परीक्षोत्तीर्णेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः उपाधिपत्राणि वितरितुम् अनुमन्ये अद्य प्रभृतिस्माभिः आजीवनं विद्यासंस्थानस्याः उपाधेः प्रतिष्ठानरूपं कार्यवाहकम्
उपाधिप्रदाने एतां समलं कुर्वन्तु
过月也别把臭的，让他们随的去，你看。
सिद्धांत प्रयोग परीक्षा द्वारा आप परंपर विषय शिक्षा शास्त्र योग्यता प्रमाणिता अत्र भवन्तः निवेद्यन्ते यत् उपाधि प्रदाने एतां समलं कुर्वन्तु
शिक्षा शास्त्री बीएड परीक्षोत्तीर्णेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः उपाधिपत्राणि वितरितुम् अनुमन्ये अद्य प्रभृतिस्माभिः आजीवनं विद्यासंस्थानस्यास्य उपाधेः प्रतिष्ठानरूपं कायवाक्चित्तैः समनुष्ठेयम्
सर्वान् अस्मान् प्रीणन्तु इति।
中美关键阿拉伯人
It is a great honor and privilege to have been invited to address the convocation. It gives me an opportunity to share my ideas with the scholars, thinkers and philosophers who have excelled in acquiring deeper knowledge and of the teachings of the philosophy of Lord Buddha. Sarnath is a sacred place from where the Buddha spread his message of peace, global fraternity and non-violence. It was at Sarnath that Gautam Buddha addressed his first sermon, in which he expounded his teachings of the middle path. Appalled at the sufferings arising out of the sensual pleasures and luxurious life of the time, he recommended the middle path and not self-mortification and abandonment of the worldly responsibilities. His middle path meant avoiding all sins, acquiring all merit, and purifying the mind. This path clearly implies that the rich should not get richer and the poor should not get poorer. Only a balance between the two will lead to social and spiritual progress. It was at Sarnath that Lord Buddha also taught the eightfold path, which meant right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindedness, and right concentration. In the present context, I will particularly draw your attention to right livelihood, which is the outcome of right action. Wrong means of livelihood cause sufferings to others. In the ancient context, these include using deadly weapons, killing animals, enslaving human beings, and trafficking in intoxicating drinks and drugs. Gautam Buddha's teachings emphasize egalitarianism, which is very much relevant to the presence of sharp social and economic disparities in our society. The personal properties of the monks was confined to minimum: robes, bowl, bed, and medicine. They could not acquire gold and silver and could not take to buying and selling. In a few such teachings, if such a few teachings are followed, they will pave the way for a harmonious society. Gautam laid the greatest emphasis on karma of action. A Brahmin is Brahmin not because of his birth, but because of his karma. It is karma that differentiates all beings into high and low status. This karma or deed may be oral, mental, or physical. Buddha's message of peace, ahimsa, sympathy, and enlightenment can form the strong moral and ethical basis of our society. The need of his message of peace was never greater than it is now, when the world is at the threshold of self-destruction through nuclear, chemical, and biological warfare. Individuals and nations are so obsessed with the pursuit of cosmic desires and material gains that they are involved in constant conflicts. At this juncture, Buddha's message of peace can overcome our internal conflicts for which he stood for. He developed the deepest urge to create a world where the strong be just, where we may be secure and peace preserved. Ahimsa is a fundamental principle of the teachings of Lord Buddha, which help us fight against coercion and undue pressure of others. While Himsa complicates the problem, Ahimsa resolves it. But only those who have attained spiritual sublimity can successfully apply the principles of Ahimsa in overcoming the crisis of peace. Gautam Buddha's principle of Ahimsa provides real happiness and peace of mind, which keeps a man completely free from strain and pressure. It is the most powerful weapon in the battle between the virtue and the vice. Even after a lapse of 2,500 years, we find that Ahimsa is the most effective force which can help win the enemy and turn opponents into our friends and brothers. Gandhiji achieved freedom for the country by adopting the path of non-violence. The practice of universal brotherhood is the only way for the salvation of the mankind. Man is born free and stands equal to his fellow brothers. Despite diverse cultures, creeds, and castes, Buddha desired that every individual should inculcate the sense of universal brotherhood and thus lead peaceful and contented life and enriched with the higher values and dignity. What we are trying to achieve today through the enforcement of human rights was taught by Lord Buddha some 2,500 years ago. Because of its intellectual content, sense of brotherhood and compassion, Buddhism attracted not only Asian countries but also others all over the world. Those who pursue material pleasures are guided by passion, which is opposed to compassion. Desire and passion can be subordinated to compassion only by training the mind properly. Lord Buddha taught that in a pluralistic society, we cannot lead a peaceful and contented life without cultivating compassion. Compassion is a silken tie which binds a heart with heart and a mind with mind. Buddha taught his fellow men to share the sufferings of their own brethren and rescue them in time of distress and crisis. He asked the people to show sympathy and compassion even to animals. He was the first to raise his forceful voice against the killings of cattle in sacrifice. In his view, man devoid of compassion is like dust, which signifies nothing. Thus, Buddha's teachings help us to refashion our thinking and remodel our conduct. Lord Buddha maintained that man should lead his life with due care and caution and solve his day-to-day problems on the basis of reason. He should be a lamp unto himself and examine his strength and weaknesses. Reason is assigned such an important place because it distinguishes human being from all other beings. Lord Buddha advised his disciples not to accept anything without testing it on the touchstone of reason. So his philosophy of middle path enlightened the global community. He held that thought should be based on practical and positive imagination, speech on proper logic, and action on strong reasoning. Lord Buddha stressed that thought and action must be rational. Since purification of mind germinates pious thoughts, in Buddha's view, mind plays a prime role in man's thought and action. He emphasized that the instrument of life within should be properly assembled so that it may function efficiently and bring about a positive change in life without. Steps for individuals' correction may lead to the collective reforms of the society as a whole. Lord Buddha protested against the dogmatic belief, blind faith, and superstition prevalent in his time, and advocated values that stood before proper test of time. Lord Buddha cherished to establish a democratic setup of human society. He envisioned an environment of mutual cooperation and accommodation with his fellow men. He enunciated the principles of peaceful coexistence and taught that harmony in thought and action will ensure and safeguard the dignity and sublimity of the mankind. He discarded rigidity and obstinacy and favored full opportunity and freedom to enable an individual to display his intelligence and potential. Progressing at an enormous speed in the sphere of science and technology, we appear to have been transformed into a global family. However, despite this tremendous achievement, the human heart lacks sympathy and is bereft of normal human values. Buddha's teachings can restore human values to our life. His staunch rational outlook, his teachings of the principle of ahimsa, his crusade against social evils and superstition carry a momentous message which can transform the present conditions that beset the human life. The code of life established by the Buddha can guide us to our goal. We must follow the path shown by him to the best of our ability, for it is the only way to end the chains of disaster and confrontation. I am glad that the Central Institute of Higher Tibetan Studies has been established at Sarnath for research and advanced studies in Buddhism, and it has earned worldwide recognition. I am actively involved in the reorganization and development of the Nalanda Mahavihara. Both Sarnath and Nalanda possess rich cultural heritage of learning and scholarship. and have available valuable Pali, Sanskrit and Tibetan manuscripts and literature with great potentialities for serious study and research on Buddhism. Therefore, the two institutions can work together to further the cause of Buddhist studies. The Sarnath Institute has proposed an exhibition of Buddhist paintings and artifacts in New Delhi in February 1998 in cooperation with all other Buddhist institutions supported by the central government. The Nanda Mahavihara has gladly agreed to co-sponsor this venture. I hope that this will be followed up by working out a common project and program which will promote Buddhist studies in India and abroad. I hope the teachers and students of the Sarnath Institute will leave no stone unturned for the growth and dissemination of the cultural heritage requested by Lord Buddha. I extend to new graduates my best wishes on the solemn occasion, and I am confident that they will contribute to the all-round progress of our culture and society. Thank you very much.
दीक्षांत समारोहस्य समापनम् उद्घोषये।
राष्ट्रगानम्
Yalu.
So now we are connected, we can just search it by word and by piece of the and this is connected to all our network. So it is
Library network on the campus or
outside campus.
In the campus and later on as well as this.
Yes. Yes, sir. Professor DC Pandey book बताइए DC पांडे की किताब का।
हाँ DC पांडे।
DC पांडे जी पांडे जी
पांडे जी कहाँ now he is our PhD.
has the facility for the Devanagari, Tibetan and Roman script all together.
All together?
Yes,
All together.
This is the only script we
Eh?
have. Yes,
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 yes.
yes, sir.
This is
So-
at the moment using only this institute and Dharamshala library.
So from can we repeat the name and address?
Photographic books and this is the stake room come and reading room. This is from Tibet. It is not very old but it's xylographic. ये जो कागज हैं ये एसिड फ्री है तो इसलिए ये सब हैंडमेड पेपर्स हैं तो इसमें ज़्यादा this also all handmade paper and this can
इसका
be
restoration होगा ना?
रिस्टोरेशन हुआ है
हुआ है।
कुछ अभी हो रहा है
लेकिन इसको वुडन ब्लॉक से लिया इस पर
वुडन ब्लॉक से लिया ये भी वुडन ब्लॉक से लिया है और आजकल ये सब विदेश में रिप्रिंट भी हो रहा है मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स
अच्छा
दिस आर दी रिप्रिंट्स फ्रॉम द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स तो इस तरह की जो या बहुत अच्छा किताबों के साथ साथ कुछ थंकास का भी तो ये सब 200 वॉल्यूम्स हैं इसमें करीब 400-500 थंकास का भी अच्छा रिप्रोडक्शन हो गया Piku, Nakha edition, Kanjur, Tigi edition. So we have almost everything of it. We have 3 in book form and 1 in makeup form. These are some of the reference books of arts in Tankas. There are a number of different mandalas. Japan.
So they represent certain ideas.
Dev mandalas. So this side is our manuscript and the realization.
Guruji, are we going to print some mandalas from this institute?
हमने अभी
इसके लिए
हुआ
तो ये क्योंकि ये इससे ये लाइफ लॉन्ग कलेक्शन होती है लाइब्रेरी और खैर इंडिविजुअल लाइब्रेरीज की भी लेकिन
last year we sent our team to Tawang Monastery and 80% of the Tawang Monastery volumes have been prints we brought from Tawang collections. And Tawang collections are now the rarest collections in India.
This is gold and silver alternate.
Written by gold and written by silver.
Where is Tawang Monastery?
Arunachal.
beyond sir Bombdilla.
Yes.
Bombdilla, yes.
Beyond Bond.
Yes.
You can read it. Can you get a direct print of it?
And this is the Tawang Monastery volumes we have. And now we are planning to send each year one team.
And this machine suggests facility to you can reduce and enlarge also.
अच्छा
Yes. In large reduce
We say enlarge and we can reduce also.
ये कौन सी मशीन है?
This is Minolta, sir. Minolta.
And we have almost 75,000 titles of books in this Mirko Fish session. And 75,000. And if it is in book form, the entire this building would be required for
this alone.
print on paper. So this is the Macrofilm, Macrofish, reprography. All 3 sessions are combined here. All the audio cassettes can be issued and then they can hear here and then they can note it.
This way, very good.
entirely belong to the institute. It is in collaboration with the Oriental Foundation London. Because they are working on it, and we have provided a room and other facilities on a nominal range. And they work here, and the commission is working on it.
These are some of the photo collections that we do.
I see. We have done.
Yes.
ये digitized photo.
Not at present, yes, sir, but in the future, yes, we will be doing.
CD-ROM
and I'm going to demonstrate how it works here. This includes the script and still image and with sound. We have a cassette here and a test and still image. So when we have all these collections, so we are going to digitize in the same way.
How many cassettes have you got? CD-ROM?
No, at present we are just starting this one. Yeah. So test can be done through scan, that is through high resolution scan on other or through the one manual fitting. So this is the manual fit. It's done in South India, and this is just image here, and we have sound.
This is the one that we did here. So
we have recorded here from the cassette to CD. And split.
And you can read and hear.
Is the instructor of the band.
We may type in any language.
Why? What is multi-language?
More than a language, sir. Means we may type in Tamil, Hindi.
Is it?
Yes, sir. Mostly. I'm going to see you, sir. So you demo. Sir, suppose this is the document file we are having. At the moment it is having Hindi.
Using one software.
Yes, yes, sir. And some, I will show you. Alright, as these are the languages: Arabic, Assami, Bengali, Devanagari, and all that. Sindhi also. If you want to change, suppose it is in Tibetan, just what I have to give you.
Persian is also.
It will be converted
Persian,
into
Persian, Arabic.
Yes, okay. Yes.
Persian bhi. Russian bhi.
Urdu is also used.
Urdu is also.
ये कौन सा है किसका can you write?
Okay.
They will give you the line. लिख के साफ करो.
What is this software?
And what was the cost? The whole thing.
नहीं, and address from where you get it.
From where?
There, you send all the public. Okay. Okay. There. Yes. Dr. Tenzin is the in charge of publication and this would like to present for
दूसरा जिला है।
Once